The SYMA X500Pro GPS drone is equipped with a 4K ultra-high-definition camera that offers new performance capabilities with a 120-degree field-of-view lens and a 90-degree adjustable camera, ensuring high-resolution videos and perfect shots. Powered by two upgraded 1700 mAh modular batteries, the drone provides an impressive flight time of up to 50 minutes, while the brushless motor guarantees stability even in windy conditions and ensures a quiet flight. The drone features a GPS-assisted intelligent flight system, which automatically returns the drone home when the signal is lost or the battery power is low, offering a worry-free flight experience. The SYMA X500Pro GPS drone is user-friendly and packed with numerous additional features like Follow Me, custom fly path, point of interest, and hand gesture shots, providing an enjoyable flight experience regardless of your skill level. The GPS system of the drone is complemented by an optical flow positioning system, providing double stability guarantee and making the drone extremely stable in the air, both indoors and outdoors. Designed with eco-friendliness in mind, the SYMA X500Pro GPS drone comes with rechargeable batteries for the drone and the remote control, eliminating the need to buy AA batteries.